बधाई देता हूं।
Ka India kalapan scam shu ya ka Jingiadei paralog bat kari Guyana ha ka Jingrakhe ya ka Jingyo Laitluid ke basan tu kundai jong katei kari da ka Jinglek yashim benta ki nongelam ke India balalam da Dr. Shashi Tharoor ki bala syak pediang sngobha da menjerang ba do bat ki dekhot bapau ka cabinet ha ka historic sugar plantation. Kene ka Jinglek jingo ka penpau ya ka Jingiadei ha ka culture ka bala hiar pateng nadu ka Jinglek buhai shnong da ki Arspa hajar kinong India haki senam kha praspa bat ka jinge trelang haki liang ki wedei bat ka roi kapar ka pule puthi bat ka jinge khun persha ki kamle no lingba ka operation sendur kinong elam ki la banjur ban beteng ya ka jinge teli ha ka jinge khun persha ki kamle no bat ban penne ya ka jinge dei bat ka jinge trelang hapdeng ki ni ki ari.
It's a very busy time for the government of Guyana. They have as you know, their big 59th Independence Day coming up, and their ceremonies are at night, culminating in a flag hoisting at midnight. That's their tradition. So we were very touched when the Prime Minister insisted we come for dinner beforehand, and many members of the Cabinet were present. Finance Minister, Health Minister, Agriculture Minister, various other ministers were present. And we had some very good conversations. Members of the delegation talked to the other ministers. I mentioned, of course, the issue of terrorism. But again, with Guyana, it always goes beyond the main purpose of our visit because there's a much larger scope for cooperation between our countries.